Hey guys, so we just concluded the Bazaar Ultra, and I have to say it has been one phenomenal experience. Running over here in Bazaar in Arunachal, and I mean the route was pretty amazing. It ran through such dense forests along through all the busties and the fields, um, and the little bit of rain the night before the race added um, a lot more drama to the whole route that was already pretty intense with the kind of landscape we were running through. We had to cross a couple of rivers, cross bridges, um, run through bamboo forests, and the wet rocks and the wood added quite a bit of quite a bit of drama to something that was already pretty interesting. And I mean, the route passed through busties, and that was a lot of fun to sort of experience running through the busties, having the people who of the busties who were coming out and cheering for us, kids clapping my hand, the old folks telling me to keep at it, to go harder, and cheering us on. So that was very exciting, and that's something that always excites me, experiencing something like that. And Bazaar definitely, the experience lived up uh, to its fullest potential in every aspect. Uh, as a location, Bazaar is so amazing. It's in the middle of the mountains. The culture was quite amazing to experience. The day after the race, we went and we cooked food in bamboo along the rivers. Even just during the race, right? We had a lot of poka. Not during the race, that was after the race. We had a lot of poka. And the hospitality of the people was very warm, very welcoming, very excited to host runners, to host all of us who had come here to run. Everyone was so helpful. Everyone was so warm and big-hearted. Honestly, I just cannot wait to come back and race at Bazaar and just visit Bazaar, even if I don't have to race, as soon as possible. It was a short time that I've spent in Bazaar, but I know I want a lot more of it.
Hi, I'm Ashwini Bhatt. I'm from Bengaluru, and I participated in the Brute, the Bazaar running experience that happened on Saturday, March 5th. I can't tell you how life-changing it was, because the hospitality, the people that we met, and everything, the nature, everything was mind-blowing. I hope that more people become aware of the event that is happening in Arunachal even going forward, and more of you come and participate, because definitely I'm going to spread the word across to others in the running community, and more of them will come. So look forward to coming back to Bazaar and meeting more people here.
I'd like to congratulate and thanks to all the team of the buses for organizing so nice event in Bazaar for the first time in the entire Northeast. So I just suggest you people, the people has come from the entire India and participated in this event. Okay, so we are also from Guwahati. We have participated in this event. So I have seen only few people participating in this event from your Bazaar area. So I would like to say that you people should also start running. Not only running, you should be engaged in any sports activity. So I think there are so many hidden talents in your Bazaar area. I request all your GRK group, your organization, to find out the talent, hidden talent people, so that your people can represent in the international level. So I have seen people running yesterday. Some people have done extremely well. The student, they have done extremely well in the sense somebody has done 5 kilometers in 18 minutes. That is also a good standard level of run. If he can cut down another 2-3 minutes, then he can be a international level player. So these kind of people, your duty is to be find out these kind of people, organize such event, small event in your area, so that you will come to know your hidden people, those who are doing well, because there are so many hidden talent are there in every place. But the thing is that you have to explore. I think being a organization, you are so in Basar area, so you should find out that kind of type of hidden talent people, explore them and present them in international level. Okay, so that is the message from my side. Thank you.
Yes, please.
मेरा नाम मनमोहन है और दिस इज माय वाइफ, पत्नी है मेरा श्यामला मनमोहन। हम दोनों बेंगलुरु से आया है ब्रूट रनिंग इवेंट के लिए, ट्रेल इवेंट के लिए, और अरुणाचल प्रदेश पहली बार आया है हमने। बहुत बढ़िया जगह है और इस तरफ जगह हमने अभी तक देखा नहीं। हमने तो बहुत इवेंट्स किया है, लेकिन इस तरह से जगह और इस तरह से हॉस्पिटैलिटी, वेलकमिंग गेस्चर्स, देन क्या क्या है कर सकते हैं वो सब इधर लोग किया है। बहुत बढ़िया है।
ये सिर्फ रनिंग नहीं है, ये सीखने के लिए सब कुछ है इधर से। पीपल तो होल हार्टेडली वेरी वेलकमिंग थे। हम लोगों को देखभाल कर दिया ये और मैंने एमएलए, पुलिस फोर्स, लोकल अथॉरिटीज, एवरीबडी है ना, ये जस्ट गॉट इन्वॉल्व थ्रू दैट जीआरके फाउंडेशन एंड बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं वो लोग। हम धन्यवाद देते हैं और सभी को प्रार्थना करते हैं 40 मिनट्स टू 50 मिनट्स अपने हेल्थ के लिए कुछ ना कुछ कर दिया। सिर्फ रनिंग नहीं है, योगा भी कर सकते हैं। सब क्या क्या पसंद है। फुटबॉल तो इधर ज्यादा बहुत ही फेमस है और अभी तो आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी ज्यादा खेल के लिए ज्यादा बड़ा क्षेत्र भी ओपन किया है। सब लोग उनसे पार्टिसिपेट करके अपना हेल्थ, अपना देश को बढ़ा सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।